The award of excellence in the category Electrical, all projects over $10 million, goes to Excel Contractors Incorporated for their Dow Mitsu Chlorine No. 7 Falcon project. As a specialty electrical instrumentation contractor for the Dow Mitsu Chlorine No. 7 Falcon project, the largest industrial project at the time, Excel overcame logistical challenges, manpower shortages, installed, removed, and reinstalled defective client supply materials, managed literally thousands of design changes from Samsung engineers. In 25 months, the contract scope more than doubled in size to $79 million and was safely completed in accordance with the revised schedule. Excel was honored to receive several commendations on both performance and safety from high-ranking owner and client staff members. The award of excellence in the category Electrical, less than $2 million, goes to MMR Contractors Incorporated for their Deep Well Injection System project. The Deep Well Injection System project, a joint venture with Jacobs Engineering, constructed 2 deep well injections with filtration systems and associated equipment that will reduce the wastewater stored on-site from over 1 billion gallons to just under 250,000 gallons over the next few years. The award of excellence in the category Electrical, Institutional 25 to $100 million goes to Lemoyne, Brassfield & Gore Joint Venture, LLC, for their Tiger Stadium South End Zone expansion. The $78 million expansion of Tiger Stadium's South End Zone added 6,000 seats, including a 3,000-seat stadium club, 1,500 upper deck seats, and 70 skyboxes. Over 25,000 cubic yards of cast-in-place concrete and 3,500 tons of rebar completed the 290,000 square foot expansion. The award of excellence in the category Industrial, $15 to $25 million, goes to Performance Contractors Incorporated for their 2014 Lion Oil plant-wide turnaround. Performance Contractors Incorporated was awarded the maintenance portion of Lion Oil Company's 2014 plant-wide outage at their El Dorado, Arkansas refinery. The scope of work included significant maintenance work in the following areas: crude unit, alky unit, FCC unit, naphtha unit, hydrotreater units, statured gas unit, sulfur unit, platformer unit, reformer unit, flare unit, and utilities unit. In addition to the maintenance scope work, Performance was also awarded a small portion of the Lion Oil capital work. The award of excellence in the category Industrial Other Specialty Construction less than $10 million goes to EIC Constructors, LLC, for their Air Products GE Healthcare Helium Liquefaction Facility project. EIC's Air Products GE Healthcare Helium Liquefaction Facility project in Florence, South Carolina, included installing all electrical and instrumentation systems to a new addition in the present facility. The EIC team was charged with executing all aspects of the project, including construction, cost and quality control, safety, procurement, and inventory management. They completed the project 2 weeks ahead of schedule and 15% under budget with no interruption to the facility's operation or production. This was entirely achieved by their experienced management and staff maintaining an impeccable project safety record and the professional demeanor which EIC customers have come to expect. The award of excellence in the category Electrical Industrial less than $2 million goes to EIC Constructors, LLC, for their Dyno Nobel ammonia project site temporary power. EIC's Dyno Nobel Louisiana ammonia project consisted of the site temporary power for the new ammonia plant in Wagamin, Louisiana. Their scope for the project was to provide the detailed design and engineering, procurement, and the turnkey installation of the electrical requirements for the temporary facilities being utilized for the project, including constructing a complex pole line system to supply power to the Dyno Nobel, KBR, and many other contractors' office facilities, a massive 60 by 200-foot climate-controlled lunch facility, safety and orientation facilities, training facilities, a 60 by 300-foot warehouse, fully lighted parking areas, as well as fabrication areas, construction site power supplies, and raceways for telecommunications. EIC associates rose to the challenges and performed the work without a single first aid or recordable injury, monumental cost savings for the client, and completed a project that far exceeded the expectations. The award of excellence in the category Electrical Industrial 2 to 10 million goes to ISC Constructors LLC for the Rubicon MDI-1 DCS upgrade project. ISC's project at the Rubicon facility was to convert the antiquated instrumentation and control production system and the methylene diphenyl diisocyanate unit to a new system, as well as the demolition of the old equipment. Through precise planning, ISC's electrical and instrumentation coordinators worked to find solutions to all of the challenges that arose. As with all ISC projects, their customers have come to expect and receive value, safety, and on-time performance, all within budget. The award of excellence in the category Federal Government Military 10 million to 100 million goes to Cajun Industries LLC for their WBV 16.2 Bayou Segnet Complex. The Bayou Segnet Complex project included the construction of a new higher line of hurricane protection with a 400 CFS pump station and a 56-foot sector gate. The award of merit in the category Electrical Industrial 2 to 10 million goes to MMR Constructors Incorporated for their Black Hills Cheyenne Prairie Power project. The Black Hills Cheyenne Prairie Power project, a joint venture with Cheyenne Light, constructed 3 natural gas-fired turbines with a total capacity of 132 megawatts of power to provide reliable, cost-effective electricity service for up to 100,000 household residents and protect customers from energy cost volatility in Cheyenne, Wyoming. The award of merit in the category Electrical Industrial 2 to 10 million goes to ISC Constructors LLC for their Marathon October 2013 Major Crude and Platformer Turnaround. ISC scope for the Marathon Petroleum Corporation's Major Crude and Platformer Turnaround project in Garyville, Louisiana was to demolish old and install new electrical instrumentation equipment and conduct preventative maintenance and startup. The challenge was to accomplish these tasks while maintaining the unit's operation by utilizing temporary generators and distribution panels. Delays in scheduled delivery dates, deadlines tracked to the hour, and congested work areas were only a few of the many obstacles which ISC had to overcome in order to keep the schedule on time and within budget. Through working an extended weekly schedule, ISC held true to the company's core value, safety first, quality second to none, by completing the project with 0 OSHA recordable incidents. The award of merit in the category Other Specialty Construction Industrial less than 10 million goes to Bobros Construction Company, LLC, for their low-cap TMR TK606 modification project. Bobros' patented system allowed excavation of materials in a continuous process at low cap. This highly efficient operation was more safe, productive, and less expensive than traditional methods. The award of merit in the category Industrial 5 to 15 million goes to Barrier Construction for their Kinder Morgan IMT Yard Expansion Phase 3A, $6.9 million site and foundation expansion completed on time for the Kinder Morgan IMT in Port Sulphur, Louisiana, 45,668 man-hours and 0 recordables. The award of merit in the category Infrastructure Heavy goes to Barrier Constructions for repaving US 190 from I-12 to LA-22. Barrier Construction Company was awarded the contract to repave and widen US 190 from I-12 to LA-22. This 3-mile highway was a choke point for motorists traveling from the North Shore to New Orleans on the Causeway Bridge. This project was completed on time and under budget. The award of merit in the category Historical Renovations less than 25 million goes to MAP Construction for Raising Cane's number 142 downtown Baton Rouge. The Raising Cane's number 142 downtown Baton Rouge project consists of the 90-day interior built-out and renovation of the Hancombe Historical Building into a full-service restaurant. The award of merit in the category Renovation 4 to 10 million goes to MAP Construction for Covington Movie Tavern. The Covington Dinner Theater project consists of the renovations of a 34,254 square foot movie theater from 12 screens into an 8-screen stadium seating dinner theater with a full-service kitchen. The award of merit in the category Institutional 10 to 15 million goes to MAP Construction for LSU Ag Center Animal and Food Sciences Building. The LSU Ag Center Animal and Food Sciences Building project consists of the construction of a two-story, 47,750 square foot Type 2 protected research laboratory that serves 3 science departments: animal science, food science, and veterinary science. Award of merit in the category Industrial 15 to 25 million goes to Turner Industries Group LLC for Marathon Petroleum HCU revamp turnaround. Turner Industries' work on Marathon's HCU revamp turnaround involved the reconstruction of an existing process unit totaling 248,359 work hours with 0 OSHA recordable safety incidents.